Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game.
Get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure, and whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Find all of the guns at once and explode into space. I like smoking lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind, and the feeling that I'm under. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Find all of the guns at once and explode into space. Like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, I never wanna die. Born to be wild, born to be wild.
From that night I kissed that little goodbye. Don't blame it on sunshine, don't blame it on the moonlight, don't blame it on the good times, blame it on the boogie. Don't blame it on the sunshine, don't blame it on the moonlight, don't blame it on the good times, blame it on the boogie. Que sueñe que te quiero tanto, que se va a tocar mi corazón, latiendo por ti, latiendo por ti.
La favorita, la que canta la sola, se mueve su cadera como un barco en las olas, tiene los pies de queso como un niño que adora, y sus cabellos largos son un sol que te antoja. Le gusta que le digan que la niña la Lola, le gusta que la miren cuando ella baila sola, le gusta más la casa que no pasen las horas, le gusta Barranquilla, le gusta Barcelona.
Llévame en tu bicicleta, óyeme Carlos, llévame en tu bicicleta, quiero que recorramos juntos.
Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was fine, alright. I kind of people had a bed for tonight, and it was okay. Mama told us we were good kids, and Daddy told us never listen to the ones pointing at the fingers and making fun, 'cause we were good kids.
Remember asking both my mom and dad.
Tú piensas que en otros lagos las algas más verdes son y sueñas con ir arriba, gran equivocación. No ves que tu propio mundo no tiene comparación. ¿Qué puede haber allá afuera que cause tal emoción? Bajo el mar, vive serena, siendo sirena, eres feliz. Ellos trabajan sin parar y bajo el sol para variar, mientras nosotros siempre flotamos bajo el mar. Los peces son muy felices.
Yo soy el rey del yazacoco, el más mono rey del swing. Más alto ya no eres subir y esto me hace sufrir. Yo quiero ser hombre como tú y en la ciudad gozar. Como hombre yo quiero vivir, ser tan mono me va a aburrir. Oh, quiero ser como tú. Quiero andar como tú, estar como tú. A tu salud, dímelo a mí. Si el fuego aquí me lo darías tú.
Bueno, buena nit, anem a dormir al cotxe, vale?
Bona nit. Això és el maleter, que no es veu res.
Bueno, bona nit, anem a
Però aquí
dormir.
està la Marina.
Bona
I
nit.
aquí està el Pau.
Us enganyen, sóc un altre nen.
Jo
no dic bona nit perquè no tinc son.
Me va a coger algo.
Espera, home, que...
Soy la sirenita de la niña. El alma de la Torremolinos, transportar. El alma de la Torremolinos. El alma de la Torremolinos de la
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I won't you know, I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. Pushing down on me, pressing down on you, your man has fallen. Under pressure, the things you feel down, it's so funny and soon. It's people on the streets. It's the terror of knowing what this world is about. Watching some good friends get the hour tomorrow. People on the streets. Okay. Hello, hello, hi. I'm right here. Hello, hello, hi. I'm right here. There's no place I'd be.
I surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. Flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Haliki mai ro hiro he. Speaking la lu la 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 la. La la la. Excuse me, ma'am, I saw you walking. I turned around, I'm not a stalker. Where you going? Maybe I can help you. My tank is full, I'd be obliged to take you, 'cause I'm a country boy, I got a four-wheel drive.
Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die.
I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Anywhere out this place. I wanna run away. Just you and I. You and I. You and I. You and I. If I told you this was only gonna hurt, if I warned you that the fire's gonna burn, would you walk in? Would you let me do it first? Do it all in the name of love. Would you let me lead you even when you're blind? In the darkness, in the middle of the night, in the silence, when there's no one by your side, would you call in the name of love? In the name of love. Name of love. In the name of love. Name of love. In the name of
Honorary captains C.J. Spiller and Mark Ingram. Clemson team captains Eric McLean, Sharon Peak, Stanton Seckinger, Travis Blanks, B.J. Goodson, and D.J. Reeder. Alabama team captains Jake Coker, Derek Henry, Ryan Kelly, and Reggie Ragland. And inductees of the 2016 National Football Foundation College Football Hall of Fame.
Good evening, gentlemen. Welcome to the College Football Playoff Championship game. Congratulations on tremendous seasons by both teams. The coin we'll use tonight for the toss has the College Football Playoff logo on the head side. And on the tail side is the University of Phoenix Stadium logo. Alabama, you're the visitors. What will your call be tonight? Heads is called. And it is tails. Clemson, you've won the toss. Clemson has won the toss and deferred. You'll receive. Which direction would you like to kick?
Pero que yo no me veo.
Hola,
La
hostia.
fan. Ah, que no se la foto. Hola. Espera, espera, espera. Hola. Ara us passo el Pau. El més còmode de tot. Pau.